In this video, we are going to show you 10 advanced falls and dips that will make you look like a pro on the dance floor. Let's go!
I saw stars on the pavement, California dreams. Looked up through the bright lights, no stars that I see. You said it's all yours if you take it there. I said I can't do it alone, I swear. You said it's all yours when you smile. It's only you who loves me like you do. Trying to keep it cool, but I can't keep cool about it. Acting like a fool, wanna scream it from the roof. I'm trying to keep it cool, but I can't keep cool about it.
So guys, before we continue, we just want to thank all of you guys that are supporting the channel by becoming a Patreon or by buying us a coffee. And if you would like to support us, make sure to check out the links down below. But now, let's continue with the video.
I saw stars on the pavement, California dreams. Looked up through the bright lights, no stars that I see. You said it's all yours if you take
this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let us know down in the comments what you think, and make sure to watch our other videos. You will like them for sure. Hope to see you there. Bye!